Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming power and basic connections so you don't chase phantom faults. First, charge the Bullet's Wireless Z above 50% and restart your phone's Bluetooth to clear temporary pairing glitches. Next, visually inspect the wire, magnetic earbuds, and inline remote for frays, loose joints, or dirt. This often explains one-sided dropout. Then test another audio source and flip the neckband or rotate the cable 180 degrees. This checks for intermittent wiring or jack orientation issues. Now you'll isolate the fault mechanically and electronically to pinpoint the cause. Open your phone's audio settings and set left/right balance to center, then play a mono test track. If one ear stays silent, the headset or remote is likely at fault. While audio plays, gently press along the seam and flex the cable near the remote and earbuds to detect intermittent connections. Finally, clean the magnetic connector and earbud ports with a lint-free swab dampened with isopropyl. Corrosion or grime can block contact. Finish by applying software resets and deciding on repair versus replacement. Forget the bullets in Bluetooth settings, power cycle them, then perform the headset reset sequence and repair. This can restore channel routing. If diagnostics showed a physical break, open the seam only if you're comfortable soldering microwires or swap the earbud modules. Otherwise, replace the cable or seek an authorized repair. If nothing fixes it, make sure to document tests and use the warranty or service center. One tip: try a friend's working bullets to confirm it's not your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.